Now, 800 CHAB presents Ask the Expert. Here's Rob Carnie.
Well, we've still got some time, but that window is closing. It's time to get ready for winter, and that means some home maintenance and some reminders, some tips today from our insurance expert on 800 CHAB, Greg Marcyniuk. Greg, it's that time when we should really, we start with the eavestroughs, don't we?
Yes, we sure do, and because of the fact that, fall is basically here, and you want to take advantage of this warm weather that hopefully we'll get for at least another month to make sure that everything is taken care of, any potential problems, so that you're not sitting there with problems when it's 40 below. So first of all, I really believe that everyone should have your furnaces checked by a actual qualified technician, as well as clean and replace the furnace filter if it's needed. Also, if you have any pipes that are exposed outside, you should see that it's insulated or that they're drained and they're turned off on that. Also, you want to check for any loose shingles. Your roof can make sure that they can withstand any sort of heavy snowfall or freezing rain, so that that roof will be able to handle that. Also, you want to make sure all your garden hoses are drained, because I tell you, I didn't this year, and I was a little ticked. I had a big, long 100-foot one, and it was done for. So good idea to have them drained, put away. And as you said, make sure that you clean all the eaves troughs and downspouts, and make sure the debris is all cleaned out of there as well. You should also check any of your caulking around your doors and windows that show signs of deterioration, to prevent heat from escaping. And the other thing is, you should have your chimney inspected if you have an older brick chimney, to make sure that it's all well. And inspect your smoke and carbon monoxide detectors, and make sure that they all work. And if they are not wired, check the batteries or just replace them. I know it's a good idea. October, change them every year. I know the fire departments do as well. Make sure you trim any trees that are overhanging your roof. We've been very fortunate here in Saskatchewan, but as weather changes, if we get any freezing rain of any sort, and those tree branches break, you could have some big issues. So just make sure that all those trees are cleaned up, so nothing is going to collapse if we did get some freezing rain, because the way the weather is going, you just never know whether or not we're going to get that.
Being proactive and getting your home maintenance done during the fall can really take the worries out in winter and spring. Greg Marcyniuk, these tips are available online on your website.
That's correct, nohasslinsurance.ca, or feel free to drop by and see any of our pleasant people here down the corner of 1st and Fairford Street West.
This has been Ask the Expert on 800 CHAB.